Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Rio 5-Door. The Kia Rio 5-Door vehicle is a compact hatchback with a newly designed and improved interior. The Rio 5-Door also comes with an improved technology package that features its tablet-like touchscreen and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, FWD, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.